What's up, guys? Chris with Tight Lines. So I apologize. I went yesterday and we did actually go to Cape Henlopen, but the wind was really bad and we weren't really able to get a lot of fishing on video. We caught some cool fish. I'll post up some pictures here. So it was a pretty day as far as, temperature was not too bad. It was a little chilly. We did catch a couple of fish, got puffer fish, and did actually intend to record, but it was really difficult with the wind. It was hard for us just to manage the lines. We had about 5 lines in. Throughout the day, we actually ended up catching, a puffer fish. We had a smooth dogfish, which is a type of shark for those that might not know. We had, I got a skate, horseshoe crab, big huge horseshoe crab, and we got Atlantic croaker, and I caught the biggest striped bass I've ever caught, the biggest fish period I've ever caught. And as I was trying to pull it up, the entire pier came over. I was fighting it. I mean, thank God I had 50-pound braid on, and I was using my bass rig, and I had just a single hook, and he threw the hook right as I was trying to pull him out of the water. We were trying to get the net down there and everything. We didn't have the long handle net, so that's going to be an investment that needs to come up. But he was easy 20 to 22 inches and probably, every bit of 15+ pounds. So yeah, I was pretty bummed. I was really disappointed that I lost that fish, but I was super excited and it was great. I was pretty impressed that I even got that far. So I'm actually trying to get you guys a little something here. So I've got a couple of ponds that I haven't tried before, one of which recently had an 11-pound bass caught out of. It's a little small couple ponds, so we're going to try this and see what happens and take you guys along with me. Hopefully it'll be good. Hopefully catch some big stuff. If not, we'll jump around a little bit. It's about 450 right now. So we're gonna see what we can do. Come along with me. Let's see if we can catch some big ones. So the frog on that side did not work so good, so this is on the other side. There's another part here, so we're going to see what we can do right here. So I took you to a couple of different places here. We went to 2 new places that I've never personally fished before, and I was super excited to fish the second one that I went to. I know that recently there was like an 11-pound bass caught there. I didn't really have a lot of luck today, but I didn't spend a whole lot of time. It's getting kind of late, and I wanted to hit my other honey hole before, because I know we've gotten some rain and stuff, so I kind of want to see if there's maybe some better bites, see if the water level's up, see what I can do over there. So I'm going to head over there. We'll hit one last spot for today. Hopefully we'll catch something. If not, you know, I apologize in advance. So hopefully I can get you guys some good catches, show some big fish. I think there's some good sized bass over there, and I think it'll be better to get to them, assuming of course that the water level's up. I think it'll be a little bit better, so I'll see you when we get over there. Alright, here we are back again, and we're going to check out the little honey hole. We've had a lot of rain, the water's cooled off, so fish could be acting totally different. In fact, probably will be acting totally different. I'm just taking my rods and reels. I've got a top water, a jig, and a plastic on, so we'll see what we can do with it. We'll start with the whopper plopper. Do a little top water as we're getting into the evening sunset time period here. It's not up a lot, but it's definitely up some, and that's good. And I would bet that a lot of the grass has started to die off because it's so cool over the last few days. So that's good. What's up, guys? So we have tried 3 different spots today. The sun's still going down. I haven't had much luck. Actually, I haven't had any bites. The water feels pretty cold today, so I'm wondering if maybe the weather change and the season change is starting to take a little bit of an effect. I mean, it's comfortable for me. I don't know what the fish are thinking of it, but what I'm going to do is try to go down to one other place, down to the old mill, Wyoming Lake, and see if I can get anything to pop up there. That'll be the last spot, and then I'll have to head home. I want to try to catch something big for you guys, so let's see if we can get something at the old mill. Obviously, I've had some videos there where I've caught some stuff, so we'll see if we can get something there. I don't know how many people are going to be there. It might be super busy. It could be super empty. I don't know. So we'll see. I'll catch you when we get over there. Alright, here we are at the old mill again. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the wind. And we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today. You know, we hit a couple of different spots, and I really thought that we were gonna get something today, but definitely the water is much cooler and the air is much cooler, so I'm hoping that maybe it's just gonna be a change. I know that there's been some weather changes and stuff, but I hope you guys enjoyed. You know, you can't catch a fish every single time, but I wanted to at least have something, since especially since I was supposed to have one from Saturday and that didn't work out. So you know, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and you know, stay tuned, keep coming back. We'll have more. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you want to see, let me know what you think. Share the video, and hopefully we'll keep making this thing grow and make it bigger and better. Thanks so much for showing up. Thanks so much for all your support. I'll see you next time. Tight lines.